Hi there! So Sony has just launched the CH710N wireless headphones in India. I've been lucky to get my hands on one. Now there are a couple of reasons why I'm excited for these, and firstly they're Sony's budget active noise cancelling headphones with a battery life of 35 hours. I can see that you're already interested. So let's quickly unbox it, see how well they perform, and above all, how good is that noise cancelling. I'll also share the price towards the end of this video and let you know whether you should consider buying these or not. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. Here is the retail packaging. You can see the image on the front. These are blue in color, kind of my favorite. I've always preferred these to black. I've even got the Sony CH710Ns in exactly the same color. Alright, here is the sticker with 1-year warranty. At the bottom it says 35 hours battery icon with Bluetooth. Here is wireless and noise cancelling. On the back it says music playback time 35 hours and 10 minutes charge gives you up to 60 minutes playback. Wow, so that means it's got quick charge in short. Same details on the right, hands-free calling, voice assistant function, compatible with Android and iOS, USB-C port, which is amazing. On the side it says the MRP is 14,990, but don't worry, it's selling for much cheaper. Also, those who are thinking if this is made in China, well no, this is made in Vietnam by Sony, which is a Japanese company. The print on these is really small for anyone to read. Anyway, let's open it. So inside the box are the headphones, USB-C charging cable, 3.5 aux cable to connect to the headphone when the battery is depleted, and some paperwork. It's really surprising there's no carrying case or even a pouch to protect the headphones during travel. Let's keep all these aside and have a closer look at the headphones. Wow, they feel exceptionally lightweight despite their bulky build. The build is mostly plastic. It's not the best quality, I'd say, but it helps keeping the weight down. Matte texture on the cups, as you see, Sony branding on the side. The headband is also very well cushioned. Wow, this seems so soft. The ear cups swivel inward so you can keep it easily in your bag while traveling. The cushions on the ear cups are also extremely soft and should be comfortable to wear for long hours. The left ear cup houses the power pairing button, USB-C charging port, and a 3.5 headphone jack. On the right ear cup you can see the controls. Center is the multifunction button that controls playback, activates voice assistant, answer ends phone calls, while the plus-minus buttons on either side to control volume. A dedicated noise cancelling ambient mode button, mics on the side which help for phone calls, noise cancelling and ambient mode. Overall the build is good, but the plastic on them seems a little substandard, but I shouldn't complain considering the price. Alright, let's move to the fit. So these are over-the-ear headphones and they completely cover your ears. At 218 grams, they don't weigh much at all and you don't feel that you're wearing some big bulky headphones. The earphones actually can be extended to adjust your head, and that's frankly not something new, but still it's worth mentioning. When you wear them, when you want to see the fit, they aren't too tight or too loose, which is just perfect. And that is very important if you want to wear these headphones for long hours. Also, I found that the memory foam on the ear cups is also very soft, so that you won't have any problem using them constantly for a few hours. Overall, when it comes to the fit, this is excellent. So there are two ways to pair these headphones. First is the classic way. Press and hold the power button to enter pairing mode. Now open the Bluetooth setting on your phone and you'll see the name pop up. Click on it and you're done. The second is NFC. So if you have an NFC supported Android phone, you can just hold it up to the NFC logo on the left ear cup and you will see a pop-up. Click pair and it's done. Super simple. Alright, time to check out the sound quality. Okay, I'm sure all of you already know this. It's really good, but not perfect. The bass is good, hard, but not as deep as most bass lovers would prefer. The simplest way to say it is that you can enjoy the bass and the drums, but when it comes to deep thump, it's more soft. Of course, it improves drastically when you increase the volume. Mids and highs are pretty good, clear and crisp. The 30mm drivers on these don't disappoint. But if you're looking for super heavy bass, you should consider the XB900Ns. If you asked me, I'm quite satisfied with these. Alright, coming to the buttons. They're very tactile and easy to reach when you're wearing them. You can enable Siri or Google Assistant by holding the multifunction button for a few seconds. Pressing it once will pause and play. Pressing it twice will be next track. Pressing it thrice will be previous track. Pressing the same button when you receive a call, you can answer it, you press it again to end the call. And on the other side is plus and minus volume buttons. So basically you got everything covered and you won't need to reach to your phone when it comes to buttons. And surely everyone wants to know how good are these when it comes to noise cancellation. Well, they're actually really good. The padding on the ear cups and the active noise cancellation technology cancels out almost all of the ambient sound around you. I haven't been able to test these outdoors or on a plane yet due to the quarantine, but they do seem to do a very good job. Are these the best noise cancellation earphones? Well, no. The Sony X Mark III are supposedly a class apart, but for the price, these won't disappoint you. There is also an ambient sound mode which increases gain on the mic and lets you listen to sound around you. Switch it on and you'll be able to listen to music while still hearing essentials everyday sound, the traffic noise and the transport announcement, which you usually hear at airports or in the metros. You don't want to miss your flight or metro stop while listening music, right? Personally, I love this feature more than the noise cancellation actually. Yeah, and when you are on a flight, noise cancellation is unbeatable. I'd also like to mention that the connectivity on the Sony 710N is extremely stable. I could listen to music through walls even at the distance of around 20 meters, which is excellent. Also tested these for phone calls and indoors, they were quite good. In fact, they were better than I thought they would be. The mics are clear, the noise cancellation, the environmental noise cancellation was pretty good. The opposite person didn't complain of any echo or disturbance during the phone call. Finally, the battery. Well, Sony claims 35 hours on a single charge with noise cancellation turned on and 60 minutes music playback with just 10 minutes of charge. Unfortunately, I couldn't test them, but considering Sony's track record of solid battery life, I'm quite positive these won't disappoint. USB quick charge is also there, which is very handy. Couldn't have asked for more. Used them to watch a couple of videos on YouTube and I didn't feel any lip sync delay. Sorry guys, I'm not a gamer, so I rather not comment on it. So finally, are these perfect? No, it has its share of cons. Average build quality, no case or pouch, no LDAC support, no Sony headphone app support, but the pros still outweigh the cons. Excellent sound quality, active noise cancelling, ambient sound mode, extremely comfortable fit and 35 hours battery life. So basically for listeners who are looking for good active noise cancellation headphones on a budget, these are just perfect. Well, we saw that the MRP is $14,999, but you can get these on Amazon for just $9,999, which is really good considering it's retailing for over $200 in the US, and if we convert that, it goes over $15,000. I'll leave the links in the description. If you like to buy one, do check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any questions about the earphones. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.